Hi class, this is Jim Lyon. I'm your instructor for CRJU 131 for this semester. Looking forward to seeing you guys in person, hopefully in the near future. So please keep wearing your mask and doing the right thing to stay healthy so that we can get the numbers to go down. We can all get back in class. I will be posting your assignments each week in the meantime on Moodle. I may also use your KCC email to send some things out. So look for both of those platforms in order to check on your work. Oftentimes I post your class early. I don't usually wait until Tuesday night. If I can get it up there earlier, I would do that. So please make sure you do the work. One of the things I'll be doing this semester is as I assign things, I will be using your responses to not only maybe give you some credit recovery for questions you might miss on a quiz or a test, but also to check your attendance. That gives me a way of knowing that you're actually doing the work. So when I send stuff out, do not procrastinate and wait to get it done. Get it done as soon as it comes out. One of the things that is dangerous for college students to get into is the habit of putting off till tomorrow what they should be doing today. So try to avoid that procrastination, and it will be helpful to you. Not much else to say. I like to teach online a little bit, but I like to teach face-to-face a whole lot more. So the thing I like about teaching face-to-face is that we get the opportunity to banter back and forth in our discussions and an opportunity to share some stories that help make the work that we put out there, information we put out there from the chapters, to be a little more tangible to you as a learner. So I'm hoping we can get into the classroom in the not too distant future. So in the meantime, stay healthy, and I will ask you to, again, please do the work. If you're not sure what's going on or you need a question answered, feel free to send me a text or an email. I work a full-time job at the local high school from 7 until 3 in the afternoon, so I'm not really available to talk on a phone before or after as possible, but during that time, if you need to reach me, you'll have to send me an email or a text. Talk to you guys soon. Take care now. Bye-bye.